Ito pala yung napili kong ibon sa auction ng Fremont Club.
You know, swap na swap!
Time check muna tayo mga kalapatid, 10:47 ng umaga. Yan mga kalapatid, dadaan muna kami ng Starbucks ng tropa natin na si Ryan Ordonez para magkape. Okay, let's go!
Take the exit, then turn right onto Coleman Avenue toward Mineta San Jose International Airport. At the light, use the right lane to turn onto Coleman Avenue toward Mineta San Jose International Airport.
Okay, dito na tayo mga kalapatid. Time check, 11:22 ng umaga. Dito nga pala gaganapin sa club ng San Jose ang auction bird mga kalapatid. Pero ang club namin, ang Fremont Racing Pigeon Club, ang sponsor. Ito nga pala mga kalapatid, yung mga ibon na ipapa-auction.
You know, you had a birthday!
Today, they still have a chance to enter the world until the end of 15. Yeah, June 15.
Right.
The last day to enter your world for buyback is June 15.
And to pay any
To pay for the full amount.
Start at 65. Who gives me 65? Do we have 65 somewhere? I got 65 over there. Right, 70? I got 70. I'm looking for 75. 75. I'm looking for 80. Looking for 80. I got 80. Looking for 85. 85. I got 80. 85. 85. I got 85. I'm looking for 90. I got 90. 90. I got 90 over there. I'm looking for 95. I'm looking for 95. 90. 95. I'm looking for 100. 100. Looking for 110. 110. Oh, okay. Don't beat against yourself. I can let you go off forever. Okay, I have 100. I'm looking for 105. Anybody 105? 100 once, 100 twice, 105. I got 105. I'm looking for 110 now. I got 110. I'm looking for 115. I got 110 once, twice. I got 110 over there. I got 110. Looking for 125. 120 once. You're 120.
Yeah, let it go. 125.
Okay, 120. All right. What you bid number? 65. Anybody 65?
Over there.
Okay, I got 65 over here. I'm looking for 70. Anybody 70? 6. You got 70. Okay, 70. I'm looking for 75. Looking for 75. I got 70. Looking for 75. 70 it is. Mine from Eric Madrigal. Neely. It's the famous Neely's. Almost guaranteed to win.
Nice, nice. Whose bird is it?
Eric, you gotta beat him up. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, come on. This is Kratos. There's all kinds of good stuff in it, I'm sure. So, anyway, let's start with 65.
Look at the eye sign.
Yeah, look at the eye sign, right? I'm looking for 65. Anybody 65? I got 65 over there. I'm looking for 70. 70? You got 70. Look for 75. 75. Looking for 80. Look for 80. Look for 80. I got 75. Look for 80. I got 80. Look for 85. 85. Look for 90. 85. I'm looking for 90. 85. Look for 90. I got 90. Look for 95. 95. 95. 95.
100.
100. Good. 100. 100. You know, the breeders breed 100. You know, they're good birds.
Exactly.
Exactly,
That's right.
So 100. I'm looking for 105. I
One.
105.
Fight them.
I got 115. I'm looking for 115. 115. I got 110. I'm looking for 115. 110. Oh, 110 it is.
11.
That's very expressive.
Okay. All right. I'm looking for 65 bucks for this mealy bird.
I started out with 80.
You start with 80. Oh, great.
100. It's gonna go there anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, I have 100 from Eric, right?
That's a good idea.
I'm looking for 105. 105 with this bird. 105. I'm looking for 110.
110.
Looking for 115. 115. I got 110. Looking for 115. 120. 125. I'm looking for 125.
I will let it go. That's a good one.
Okay, 120 once. Twice.
130.
130. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. 130. I'm looking for 135. You're not gonna let him have it, are you? 135.
135.
135. I'm looking for 140.
That's 150 then.
Right.
Don't worry, man.
Don't worry, you have it strong.
Yeah, have you done it? Man, what is
Very strong, very strong.
From Antonio Gomez. Let's get through this, please. So 65, 62. I'm looking for 65. I got 65. Look for 70. I got 65. Look for 70. I got 65. Look for 70. I got 70. I got 70. I'm looking for 75. I'm looking for 75. 70. 70 it is. 41? No, 41.
And you got a fly too, right?
I'm looking for 65 bucks. Anybody 65 bucks? I got 65 bucks. I'm looking for 70. Anybody? I got 70. Look for 75. 70, look for 75. 70 it is.
47? Yeah.
Ako kami sa.
So you fly too, right?
All right, guys.
You know, malupit.
This is almost a sure winner, I can tell. 65. Anybody 65? I got 60. I got 65. I'm looking for 70. I got 65. Looking for 70. 65. Looking for 70. Anybody? Okay.
Oh, he's racing. He's
Sorry, you
racing.
race? You got
Louis is just shy.
do it like you mean it, okay?
He's a new guy. He's a new guy.
Okay, so I got 70. I'm looking for 75. Anybody? I got 75. I'm looking for 80. I got 75. Looking for 80. Anybody? 80? 75? 75.
Hey.
80.
Habol.
Okay, I got 80. I'm looking for 85. Anybody 85? I got 85. I'm looking for 90. I'm looking for 90. You got 90? I got 95. I'm looking for 100. Looking for 100. 95. I'm looking for 100. Nobody? 95.
37. Hey, he wins most of the Wanda place.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, this guy can't afford not to get his work. So, I'm going to start 65. Anybody 65? I got 65. Anybody 70? I go 70. Anybody 75?
Can you guys put the top on the
Move the cup here.
these sticks?
I was beaten, man. Just scare me.
I got 75. I'm looking for 80. Look for, oh, and he has a green band on the other foot. I'm on 80.
Really?
I'm looking for 85. I'm looking for 85. I got 85.
If he has a green man.
Yeah, the green band is worth at least $20.
Yeah.
Okay, so I get 80. I'm looking for 85. No.
I'm 85.
You're 85. I'm looking for 90.
He knows Larry.
I got 90. I'm looking for 95.
Yeah.
95. Looking for 100. 100. 105. 110. 105. Looking for 105. 110. Huh? I guarantee you almost if you go 110.
105 years, don't ask anymore.
105.
Good job, Juan.
Keep them honest.
You're gonna fly through, right, Juan?
Yeah.
Okay, WSJ
Number three,
551.
Mukhang maganda na nakuha mo.
Lipad natin. Papalipad ka sa inyo.
70. I go 70.
Ano ko naging Ismael? How much did you get? 7. Ha?
Ang maganda.
Thank you.
65. Labor. 65. I got 65. Look for 70. I got 70. Look for 75. I got 75. Look for 80. Look for 80. I got 75. 80. Look for 80. 75 it is.
All right, fly through, Juan. You fly right, right?
For one, this is my bird. No green band or color band, so can be good. I'm looking for 65. Anybody 65?
Whose bird is bird?
It's mine.
75.
Okay, I got 75. I go 80. I'm looking for 85. What?
85.
85. I go 90. I'm looking for 95. I'm looking for 95. I got 95 over there. I'm looking for 100.
I think that's probably his best Uber.
This is not a Porsche 911.
It's not.
No, it's not.
It's from his best Uber. That's Tesla. Tesla.
It's all Hooven. Okay, so I have 100. I'm looking for 105. Anybody 105? 100 once, twice. 100 or none. Blue bar. Look at this. Raise winner. Raise winner. Okay. There's another one somewhere.
No bar.
Where? All right, so WJ 78, looking for 65. Anybody 65? I got 65. Look for 70. I got 70. I'm looking for 75. I look for 75. I got 70. Look for 75. 70. Look for 75. 70 it is. John.
You got wait for it, man. I just want this. What a bit.
Oh, speak up, man. 3506. I'm the breeder.
65.
Why no ban?
Porsche 911. 11806.
It's no good.
If you want to buy a Porsche 911, you got it here.
65.
I got 65. I'll go 70. I'm
I go 100.
Wow, yeah. You're hanging out with Eric too much. You got me together. Okay, I get 100. I'm looking for 105. I'm gonna go to 105. I'm looking for 110. I got 105 once, 105 twice.
Hold on, are you sure 911?
Yeah.
I'll put 110.
I like that. It's actually Volkswagen.
I don't care, I'll put 110.
Okay, 110.
How about the back?
110. 115. I'm looking for 115. Anybody? 115. I got 115. I'm looking for 120. 120. Looking for 125. 125. I'm looking for 130. 125. Looking for 130. 125 once. 125 twice. 125.
Damn it.
Well, I hope you win because I get 20%.
Yeah, Eric, you're fine.
Last tax.
Eric, what's your number? 104. 104, right?
Oh, look at that band, man. Yellow band.
Yeah, that's a beauty.
And I know him when if you see a bird with a yellow band from dawn, See? Cannot let it go.
That's an estimate of the window.
Yeah, let's make it exactly.
75, 75.
I can't see it works. 75. See, 75 works. You put a band on it, price goes up.
Okay, 90.
It's like, I got 90. Okay. Look for 95. I got 90. I got 95. Look for 100. I got 95. Look for 100. I got 100. 105. Look for 110. I got 105, 110, 105, 110, 105.
Give it to Armando.
All right, next bird. WSA 80. Blue bar. Same thing.
That's okay. It's
No
still
color
good.
band.
It's still good.
Probably is doing this reverse psychology, right? So if he has no band, it's a really great bird. If he has a band, it's not so good. Okay. All right, I'm looking for 65. Anybody 65? I got 65. Look for 70. I got 70. Oh, the breeder best is 70. I got 75, but the breeder best 70. So
Don bet on it?
no band on it.
But I said that Don bet on it.
No, I
Yeah.
did.
He did, but now it's wrong.
So I'm 75 here, so I'm looking for 80. I got 80. The breeder goes 80. I got 85. 85. 85. 90. 85. Look for 90. Okay, I got 85.
Give it to Armando.
See, anybody sitting around Eric? Somebody has a price. Edgar. That he is kind of. Okay, Edgar. 77. I'm looking for 65.
That's Jumbo 757.
Yeah, 65. Anybody 65? 65, anybody? Peter. Okay, 65. 70. Padilla woke up. 65. You got 70 over here. I'm looking for 75. Anybody 75? You got 70. Anybody 75? 70. The last one, I think, yeah, the last one. And it's probably challenged with Ruben, see that bird over there? The one of the average price winner. Look at that bird and look at this bird, almost identical. Okay? So,
Okay, 65.
okay, 65. I got 65 over there. I got 65. Look for 70.
That's
70.
for you, right?
I got 70. Look for 75. 75. Look for 80. 80. Look for 85. 85. Look for 90. 90. Look for 95. 90. Look for 95. Look for
100.
I have 100. Look for 105. 105. 105. 105. 110. Look for 110. 110. 115. 115. 120. That bird won like.
Don knows.
That bird won like $50,000. Look at the bird. It's like the same. Okay? So I got 120 over there, right? 120 and 125. 125. I got 120, 121.
I brought 125.
What? 125? Okay, 125. Here, speak up. Now, can't hear you. I got you mean it. I got 125, looking for 130. Look for 130. 125 here? 125 it is.
Oh yeah, man. I'm the high bidder.
Yeah, you got a good bird. That's not a really good bird. Blue bar from Don Wen. I'm looking for 65. I got 65. Anybody 65? I'm looking for 65. I got 65. Look for 70. I got 65. Look for 70. 65. 70. Anybody? 70? 70. 65 it is. There.
11 is that. 77. Remember that band. 77.
65.
80.
Your last chance to get a brown bird.
I got 80 over there.
85.
I got 85. I need 90. I got 90.
95.
I got 95. I need 100. I got 95. I need 100. 95. I need 100. 95 once. 95. 95.
Let's squeeze it.
Last two birds.
Okay, the last two birds here.
Forget about that.
6551.
Be careful, but even
CHP from Antonio Gomez. 65 bucks. Look for 65. Anyways, I got 65. Look for 70. Last two birds. I got 65. Look for 70. 65. Look for 70. 65 it is. Okay, yeah. If we can pay you all of it right now, it'd be great. Makes it easier for us.
Eto naman mga kalapatid, yung mga pa-shoutout natin. Shoutout nga pala kay Stoy Loop TV, Kamandag Pigeon TV, Wendell Ray 013, Benji Guerta Gersalia, at shoutout din kay Hayop Magmahal TV, AAP Axel Infinity, Ariel Bunyi, kay Teo de Guzman, kay Jadski, kay Jesse Rosaldo, at shoutout din kay Daniel Manuel, Lance Siren Sian Robles, at kay Nodge Pigeon Loop, at kay JC Paras. At shoutout din nga pala sa lahat ng member ng Fremont Racing Pigeon Club at sa Ordonez family. At special shoutout nga pala sa lahat ng mga nanay. Happy Mother's Day kay Mami Susan Calara, sa aking biyanan at sa aking mga ninang. At especially sa nanay ko at sa mahal kong asawa kay Jacqueline Di Maano Sarandona. Happy Mother's Day!